Hey guys, today I want to show you how to create this nice write-on effect, which is just perfect for a travel or vlog video. So let me show you how it's done. The first step is finding where you want the text effect to begin, and then go ahead and add that text to the screen. Go ahead and edit the text size, font, and location until you're satisfied, and then set the duration of the effect to about 5 to 6 seconds. Create a transparent layer and place it above the text effect on your timeline. Ensure the duration matches the text layer below it. Go over to Effects and type in Write On and drag it on top of the transparent layer. Click on the Write On effect and then change the Write On color to red, and then increase brush size so it's just slightly bigger than the text you want to write over. If the brush is too big, we won't be able to trace properly and it will collide with the other letters. If it's too small, it won't cover the letter completely while you trace, so be careful when choosing the size. Change the stroke length on the brush to 5 seconds and the brush spacing to 0.001. Now we're going to start tracing our letters, so you'll want to zoom in for this part so you can accurately trace them. With your transparent video layer highlighted, and starting from the beginning of the layer, go over and click on the stopwatch icon for brush position, and then click back onto the write-on effect. Place the red dot where you want to begin tracing your letter, and then move ahead 1 frame by hitting the right arrow key. Now move the red dot to the next position, and move ahead another single frame. Continue doing this until you've traced the entire first letter. You also want to make sure that the entire letter is covered by the red masked dot, and that you didn't overlap the next letter while doing it. Now move your red dot to the first position of the next letter, and continue doing the same thing. Please note, you can overlap areas of your current letter with red, and it won't mess with the effect later on. Continue masking the rest of your word, moving ahead 1 frame every time you make a position correction with your mask. Keep going until your entire word is covered by the red dot mask we've created. Now we want to go over to Effects and find the Track Matte Key effect and drag it on top of the text layer, not the transparent layer we were just working with. With the text layer highlighted, go over and change the matte tracking to whatever layer our transparent video is on. In my case, it's on video 3. This will track the write-on masking effect we just did on the transparent video layer. Now we really want to emphasize our write-on effect by adding a slight blur to our video just as the write-on text comes on the screen. Move your timeline slider ahead until the first frame the write-on effect appears on your screen. Go over to Effects, type in Gaussian Blur, and drag it on top of our video. And with the video highlighted, go over and click on the stopwatch icon for blurriness and change the value to 40. Now move back 5 frames and change the value of blurriness to 0. Move the timeline slider ahead to the end of the write-on effect and change the value to 40. Now finally, move ahead 5 frames and change the value of blurriness to 0. Now we can see our effect looks pretty good, but the write-on effect just disappears abruptly at the end, so let's smooth that out. Go over to Effects, type in Film Dissolve, and drag it to the end of your text effect layer. This will create a nice fade out to the effect. Anyway guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.